why to exchange data. So the industry standard way of doing things currently is quite manual. It causes inefficiencies. There's a lot of manual data entry, which always causes some data quality issues. And just simply that the data is siloed within these different organizations in the industry instead of being available to that company or party that can actually utilize the data for value.
So it's different formats going back and forth, and then you need something to kind of interpret that format.
Yeah, exactly. Typically, you have PDFs, scanned PDFs, and then you have on the other side a person reading that PDF and typing in the data. Or in some cases, some OCR technology, so technology that can read the PDFs, but that's also not 100% exact data quality. But yeah, so that's some of the issues in the industry that we tackle with Aviadex, and maybe I'm sure we will get into it later, but yeah, more concretely, we just increase the utilization of these very valuable assets in the industry, such as the airframe and the engines and components.